To add Venmo to Splitwise, start by opening the Splitwise app on your device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section, usually represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. In the Settings menu, select the Payment Methods option, which may be labeled as Add or Edit Payment Methods. This will take you to a list of available payment methods, where you should look for the Venmo option. Select Venmo as your preferred payment method, and you will be redirected to the Venmo website to authorize the connection between your Venmo and Splitwise accounts. You will need to log into your Venmo account and grant Splitwise permission to access your account information. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to the Splitwise app, where your Venmo account should now be linked. You can verify this by checking the Payment Methods section, where Venmo should be listed as one of your available payment options. To test the connection, create a new expense or split a bill with a friend, and select Venmo as the payment method. Splitwise will generate a Venmo payment request, which you can then send to your friend to complete the payment. Best practices for using Venmo with Splitwise include keeping your accounts up to date, ensuring you have sufficient funds in your Venmo account, and regularly reviewing your payment history to avoid any discrepancies. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add Venmo to Splitwise and enjoy seamless and convenient bill splitting with your friends and family. Remember to always review and agree on splits before making payments, and take advantage of Splitwise features like reminders and notifications to stay on top of your expenses.